Do you love Trello, but hate the fact that you can't actually see all of the things that you have due from one central view? Now, I know if you're like me, most of my Trello accounts have a gajillion boards. So the fact that I just have two in this demo account, you're like, yeah, Kate, like I'm rocking out at least five. So, how can we keep track of everything that we have due without having to habitually go through every single board? Well, I'm glad that you asked. What up, y'all? I am Kate Dosta, creator of Trello Magic and the Email Marketing Fairy, and it is my soul mission on earth to put money in the hands of good people so they can do good with it. So let's go ahead and show you the three-step process that you're going to need to do super quickly in order to be seeing all of the things that you have due on all of your Trello cards in one central spot without having to use automation, without having to pay. So the first thing that you're going to do is every time that you are in one of your boards, when you create a card or a task, what you're going to have to do is go over, hit where it says member, and go ahead and pick yourself. This is super important. It's the only way it's going to work. And then go ahead and pick your due date. So just make it the go-to process. Always hit due date, always hit myself, even if it's just you using Trello. Once you do that, then you can go over to the URL trello.com/your/cards. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it down in the link below, of course, for you guys. And then when you go ahead and you click on it, you will be brought over to sort of your main secret hub. Now, normally it has it sort by boards, but if you go over here and you actually have it sort by due date, now it's going to show you everything that you have due in the next 7 days, 21 days, 30 days. And all those things that we have overdue. But again, when you are creating your card, you must set the member to yourself and set that due date in order for it to show up. It doesn't matter which team, which database, does not matter. They will all show up here right for you. So again, hit that subscribe if you're looking for more Trello tips because we've got a lot more coming. Bye-bye.